man. We had installed this PowerTech exhaust. I was looking online, I ain't seen nobody that had used it yet, so just give y'all a little sound test on it, let y'all see what it sounds like. So that's with the baffle. My bad. Well, it's got a baffle on the inside, and it's got some slots. I have to cut it off to show it to you. But it's got some slots where you can actually go in there and adjust it to open it. That's with it all the way closed. So the next video I do, I'll open it up. But there's a power torque exhaust. I say power torque down, I'm running it up, but sound pretty good. It's quiet, man, right smooth. You know, got a lot of power, put a little back pressure on it. So I like it. You know, I bought it from a guy off the internet. Just chrome wheels, chrome tip. Looked it good to me. I liked it. Like how it stick out. I had my welder put it on there. Sound? Yeah, that's who did it. Okay, so yeah, but yeah, y'all check them out. PowerTech, sound good, running good. You know, I ain't see it on number 4 cylinders and Acuras and all that, but guess what? Sound good on the VQ to me. So I'm gonna go out and run it around a little bit with this, and then I'll change it up and let y'all hear it again. All right, we out.